Digital marketing strategy, your roadmap to online success. In today's fast-paced digital world, just having a website isn't enough. You need a solid digital marketing strategy to stand out and achieve real growth. It's like having a roadmap guiding you to online success. Without a clear strategy, you're shooting in the dark. A well-defined strategy aligns your efforts, targets the right audience, and measures effectiveness. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential components of a winning strategy. We'll break down each step so you can start seeing results for your business. Before diving into digital marketing, ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? More website visits, leads, or brand awareness? Defining goals gives your strategy direction. It's like setting a GPS destination. Then map out the best route to get there. Now that you know what you want to achieve, it's time to understand who you're trying to reach. Who are your ideal customers? What are their demographics, interests, and online behavior? Use tools like Google Analytics and social media insights to gather information. The more you know your audience, the better you can tailor your message. Not all marketing channels are created equal. It's about picking the platforms where your audience hangs out. If you're targeting professionals, LinkedIn might be your go-to. For visually appealing products, Instagram could be a goldmine. Focus on platforms where your audience is most active. This could include SEO to rank higher on Google, social media marketing to engage with your followers, or paid advertising for a targeted approach. Chapter 4. Create valuable content. Content is king in the digital world. It has to be valuable and engaging for your audience. Think about what kind of content would resonate with them. Informative blog posts, entertaining videos, or eye-catching infographics. By creating high-quality content tailored to your audience, you can attract them to your brand and establish yourself as an authority in your industry. Chapter 5. Leverage analytics and insights. In the digital world, data is your best friend. Tools like Google Analytics provide a wealth of information about your website and content. Are they bouncing off certain pages? Which blog posts get the most traffic? Use this data to understand what's working. Regularly analyze these insights to make informed decisions and optimize your campaigns. Chapter 6. Budget wisely. You don't need an unlimited budget to succeed with digital marketing. Allocate your budget across channels based on their potential return on investment or ROI. Experiment with strategies and see which yield the best results. Gather data and adjust your spending accordingly. Be flexible and optimize your budget based on performance. Chapter 7. Stay updated with trends. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving. What worked yesterday might not work today. New technologies and platforms emerge constantly. Keep an eye on trends like voice search, AI, and personalized marketing. Embrace continuous learning to stay relevant in this ever-changing digital world. Chapter 8. Test and optimize. Digital marketing is all about experimentation. Test different strategies, headlines, ad copy, and calls to action. A/B testing is your secret weapon. Controlled experiments show which variations perform best. Even small tweaks can make a big difference. Outgrow your roadmap to online success. So there you have it, the key components of a winning digital marketing strategy. Follow these steps and adapt to the digital landscape to achieve your business goals. A well-structured strategy ensures your efforts are cohesive and aligned with your objectives. Work smarter by making the most of your resources and adapting to market dynamics. Implement these steps to create a strategy that drives growth and ensures a strong online presence. Start planning today and watch your business thrive in the digital arena.